Visceral fat can't survive. When you follow this number 1 fasting hack, stop scrolling for a second. If you've been fasting for weeks with no results, this is why. You've heard that fasting burns fat. But here's the shocking truth most people don't know. Visceral fat, the dangerous fat wrapped around your organs, doesn't behave like normal belly fat. Most people waste hours, even days, trying every diet or fast. But their visceral fat never budges. And it's not their fault. You're just missing one simple hack that flips your body into a visceral fat-burning machine. Here's what most people get wrong. When you fast, your body burns the easy fat first, the soft fat under your skin. Visceral fat is like a protected bank account. Your body won't touch it unless you trigger one very specific switch. A low insulin state maintained long enough. Most people fast for 12, 14, even 16 hours, and still see no results. Why? Their blood sugar and insulin stay high. Visceral fat stays untouched. But here's the shocking part. It's not about fasting longer. It's about fasting smarter. The number 1 fasting hack, the Sugar Shutdown Meal. Here's the secret no one talks about. Your last meal before fasting matters more than the fast itself. If you eat rice, bread, fruit, snacks, or sugary drinks before fasting, insulin stays elevated for hours, completely blocking visceral fat burning. Instead, switch to a sugar shutdown meal. High protein, healthy fats, very low carbs, almost zero sugar. This simple switch drops insulin fast. Your body enters fat-burning mode in 4 to 6 hours instead of 12 to 14, attacking the stubborn, visceral fat sooner and longer. Let's look at a real example. Person A eats rice, bread, and dessert before fasting. Insulin spikes. Visceral fat isn't touched until hour 12 or 13. Person B eats eggs, avocado, chicken, fish, nuts, and vegetables. Insulin barely rises. Visceral fat starts melting by hour 4 or 5. Same fasting length, but person B burns far more visceral fat because their body stayed in the fat-burning zone longer. Why this actually works? When insulin is low, your liver unlocks stored fat. Fat-burning enzymes increase. Inflammation drops. Hormones shift into repair mode. That's when visceral fat finally gets exposed. It's no longer protected and becomes fuel for your body. This isn't about starving yourself or extreme fasting. It's about hacking your body to enter the fat-burning zone faster and stay there longer. Your simple checklist. Tonight, skip sugar, bread, rice, pasta, and juice. Eat protein. Add healthy fats. Keep carbs very low. Start your fast tonight. Within a few days, you'll notice flatter stomach, fewer cravings, stable energy without crashes. Here's the kicker. Visceral fat cannot survive in a low insulin environment. A small change in your last meal flips the switch and melts fat faster than fasting alone ever could. If this helped, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And here's a warning. Most people make a critical mistake. Watch the next video on your screen. The number 1 fasting method that beats 16 to 8, 2 times more fat loss.